Today I want to talk about the perfect entry I made on BNB. I uploaded a short video as well where you saw the trade as well, and now I want to explain you why I took the trade and how do I enter the trade. Let's go into it.
This video is presented by PEAKDEFI, the DeFi ecosystem to grow your wealth.
Okay, so we see right now I still have another BNB trade. I just opened it, I guess, I don't know, 30 minutes ago. Not a long time ago. So what do I expecting? First of all, we are on the end rush of the month. So normally if we see some sellers, then they're trying to push the close of the red candle further down. Yeah, but as you saw in my, what's it called? In my previous short video, you saw my entry, and my entry was actually here. Here again, we see a little arrow here. I mean, maybe you don't see it that good. I hope you can see it. You cannot see it that good, I guess. But you see the blue arrow here. There I took some partial profits, and here I took another short trade. I explain why I took this trade, and then I as well took this trade. So, and here I took some profits. Okay. Let me view first the 15-minute. So, in the 15-minute, we've been in our zone 10, which is perfect. You see that you don't see that right now. I do it for the video. I do it. I see you don't see that as well, I guess. If you see that, maybe on the other side, it will help. You know, I all times forgot where's left and where's right. Top right. Okay. Maybe you should see it right now. Right now we are as well again on our 10 zone. This is our legend signal. It's a signal we all times want to get if we want to enter the market short. So we see we have a red box, a dark red 10. So this means we can short the market. We just have to enter. Find the position. As I all time said, this is just the place where we can get a short. So this doesn't mean that the market has to go short. It's just a high probability that the market is gonna fall down on that place. But it's all times the same example as I said. It's like, imagine I'm Cristiano Ronaldo right now. I mean, it would be nice if I would be him, but imagine that, and I stand in front of the goal. So I'm on the place right now to shoot a goal. But if I shoot the goal or not is another question, another situation. So maybe I fall down, I didn't hit the ball correctly. So there are a lot of stuff which could happen that I don't hit the goal. So that's the same like here. So we have to find a place where we can find the market. So as I all times told you before, what is for me important? Again, I want to see that we gonna kick out some highs. Why? Because I want that the people who are long, obviously, and who are short, because what is resting above this one? Buy stops. What are buy stops? People who wants to go long, but as well people who went short on that side, right, have their stop loss above that. So what I want to see is that this people's gonna get kicked out. That's the first thing I want to see. Okay, we saw that, and then let me go into the hourly chart. So what did we saw here as well? Very important. We all times have to look just on the right. Maybe this is a wrong chart for that. Let me go into this one, because there are not that many lines. So what do I want to expect? From here, we just look left, and we don't look left like everyone else. Oh, I want to see there's a trend line, there's something else. No, this is don't want to see. Just look to your, like, you can zoom in like that and look on the latest fall down we saw, and this was this one. That was the latest move which was going down. And here you look for the latest green candle, right? And the latest green candle was this one. And from here you draw a box from the open to the close, or better say, from the open to the high, right? This is what you're gonna do. So we draw a box. So, and now this level is gonna be a resistance zone for the market. So if the market is coming in, we can expect that the market is falling down. Like you see as well, right on, I think it was this side, the profits, because I have 4 open orders right now as well. Yeah. So, and then you see the market went into that zone. Perfectly, exactly what we want to see. So you can do it even better right now. You can say, okay, after this fall down, the latest green candle was this one. So we can adjust our box and say this was the latest one. Okay. And all times we have to find the equilibrium, the 50% of that line, which is this one. We don't have to hit it. We just have to watch into it, because if we're going into it, I go blind into the market. So now we can go down as well and check if we see something here. Yeah, we see something like that. Looks interesting. Was it interesting for me? Nah, it wasn't. So in that case, let me open it, position and orders. So where did I enter the trade? So I just can see as well where was the trade. Yeah, maybe I'm blind right now. I don't see the arrow. Nope. Oh no, this is too far away. So it should be somewhere in that place, or in that place I took the trade. I don't see where my little red arrow is. But yeah, for what do I wait? I just then wait for a confirmation, either in a candle or we see a 1, 2, 3. In this case, we saw a 1, 2, 3. I didn't enter it like that. Okay, and you could short the market, and everything was perfect. This was a dream setup, because as I said, we've been in our cloud 10 zone, as you saw above. And this is exactly what we want to have. We want to have a cloud 10. You just don't see it here. You see it here. Now it's on 7. And this is exactly what we want to have. And this is how I took the trade. And now I just have to take it back home. And oh, wait. Now we see it. Here it was the candle I went short. Okay. So this was actually the break of that rejection candle I went short. As you can see it here. Yeah, now that's more clear why I took the trade. And as well, look how much confirmation we had. We had, first of all, we had our order block over there, which is normally the open first, and we just have a zone to the high. Like all times from the open to the high. The same is the opposite is for the sell. If we have an order block here, then it will be from the bottom, like from the open to the low. So from here to here. But that doesn't matter. And then we go back to this one, and we see there was as well the open of the day. And the open of the day is all times a good resistance level. And yeah, there was actually where I shorted the market. Now I want to show you as well another trade I made. This was BTC USD. And this was as well a perfect trade. We see right now there's nothing interesting for us to trade. But I can show you as well here the trades I made. Look at that. I made a short video about that. Look at this entry. Market rushed down. We went into the latest order block here again, and you see how good the market fall down. And to see that better, you see every time the same. You never see something else. You never see that I do some shorting here, which is a scalping with 5 or 10 pip, like here, right? I got the perfect entries here. I got the high for the day and I shorted the market. And you all times will see my trades every time again. Like here, you see I was in my cloud. I short the market. Okay, shorting it. You saw here I have multiple shorts. Short. And this was actually all trades I made on this account. So yeah, you see here again a short, a perfect short. I got actually the high, and to get the highs, like I want to say this was a lucky time again that I got the high, but normally it's to 70% that I get the high, because the perfect moments to short the market or to buy the markets are when we above my level 10. And you see, look, I don't have to cherry picking right now. We are here above my zones. Above here, we are above my zones. Above here, you will all times get the high. And yeah, as you see, we are from PEAKDEFI. Obviously, we want to share that with you, that you have the same ability to short or buy the market like that. But you will see, like, it's crazy. Here. And of course, you can make money if you short the market right here. But the best thing is if you trade out of the retracement, take some highs out, take some stops out. This is the perfect trading you want. Look at this. Look, it's just the perfect trades you can make. We take some highs out, stops out, and then short the market. It's going fast. This is how you want to trade. And you see that every time again on my trading. You see here again, we was in my gray zone. Okay, it's a good zone. But it's just level 7, level 8. You see here, my perfect entry. Okay, was perfect, and I got the trade. So if we going back to the 50-minute chart, you see here again, first touch out of my level 10 zone, and I shorting the market. It's perfect. It's like a trading book, how I do it every time again, and I do it every time again. And yeah, as you see here, I shorted the market here. I was in an order block, and I had a H1 order block here as well. Where is it? I think here it is. My H1 order block was this one to this one. The latest biggest green candle before the market fall down. It was this one. We had here the equilibrium of 50. Then I went down to the 50-minute chart. I did the same again. We had the equilibrium here, and I went down, I guess it was the 1-minute chart, and I took the trades the same. I went until we went into an order block, and then I shorted the market. But as you see, the most important thing is to short the market when the market is cheap, when the market is above our cloud. When we think, okay, here we want to enter, I actually don't have to make an analysis like other people do. Oh, tomorrow the market will going up, we will make some buys. No, I make some buys when my cloud is telling me to make some buys. Let us check the daily chart. That's a wrong chart. Here. Look at that. And again, it's all times the same. I'm telling you. Over here. People were saying, buy it. And what do you see here? Exactly the same what I told you before. We got some highs over here. What is above highs? Yes. Buy stops. Do the market maker want the buy stops? Yes, they want. they took them out and the market falls down. And everyone, you saw that on the social medias, everyone was telling, yo, the market is coming back right now. We're going to the 48,000 level. And now we're going back, and now we can see a nice reversal from Bitcoin, and we see the 100K very fast. No, if my cloud is not changing the color, I'm not doing anything. Like if we're going back, just back a little bit, you see here as well, market ditched below my level. Okay, perfect. I'm buying. Same here, ditching down. I'm buying. You will see that every time when my market when the price is into my cloud, then it's the perfect timing to buy. And the perfect one is if we are on zone 7 or 10. That's the perfect timing. We wanna buy the market. And it's not cherry picking or something else. It's actually what I'm doing every day. And you will see that on the YouTube videos. Every day I'm doing that. And you see that here as well. Yes. So if you are interested in the indicators, leave a like, leave a follow, write a comment about the market I should analyze next. And then I will analyze them. So yeah, I wish you good luck for the week. Happy trading and don't lose money. Bye.